everyone, I'm just here to show you my new nail tragedy. Boo-hoo! Yeah, I just got out of the shower, was applying lotion, hit my nail and on the wall again, and there it went. It popped right up in the air. Ooh. Ooh. I think it lifted part of my natural nail off. But anyways, yeah. And I think the reason it didn't break off all the way is because I'm wearing gel. When your natural nails are in water, they become more pliable and flexible, and gel is very flexible too. Half of this nail is my own nail. You can see where it joins. But yeah. And stuff like this always happens when you're ready to go somewhere. And I have somewhere to go, and I have to be going within a couple hours. And I don't know if anybody's like me, but I'm busy, and I always plan so much time when I have to go somewhere to get ready. And every minute of that time is taken up by something. So somehow I have to squeeze in trying to fix this nail, because I don't want to go out with it looking like that. Because I know people are going to say, oh, let's see your nails this time. And yeah, look at that. So anyways, I got to fix this quick. So what I did so far is file off that lifted area. And I used my e-file to do that. And I applied a small strip of silk. And this is the brand Super Nail, and it's available at Sally's Beauty Supply. Now I'm going to cover this nail with clear builder gel. And I am using my non-dominant hand. So. A lot of people use resin or nail glue with the silk strips and the fiberglass strips. I use gel because I think it's stronger. I think that my own personal opinion is that I think the glue breaks down a lot faster and gel doesn't. All right, I think that's about good for the first layer. Let me put a little bit over on this side. I'll hold that strip down. It just virtually disappears and you can't see it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for about a minute and a half. All right, it's time to put the second layer on and build up structure, because the nail is kind of flat. It's like a pancake. And I used the low heat mode on this, using this because I don't want to experience burning, and you can experience burning. So yeah, use your low heat mode. You know what, I think I'm just going to build up a little structure down the middle, nothing really major. Okay, I'm just gonna tip my hand over, my finger over like that, and you can see it's coming along a little bit better. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for another minute and a half. Now here it is so far. It's still a little bit flat looking, so I'm gonna do another thin layer and focus on the center for structure. I like to use the little liner brush when it's my natural nails and they're not very long. Let's look better. I think flip it over, and I'm going to do one more bead down the middle. Let's run this bead right down the middle here. right, I'm gonna flip that over, let it level out, cure it, shape and file it, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. That is the finished nail. I basically just buffed it and didn't file it very much because you know what, that's good enough because I got to go. I gotta hit the road. I got a 45-minute drive. So yeah, thanks so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.